So we're following the Windrush again today. Continue to head towards the source. And so we're starting at Burford and walking along to a place called Windrush. So yeah. Beautiful old church. Lots of history with the church. I think Cromwell was there in the Civil War. But you're going to have to look that one up yourself because I don't know anymore. Is it Oliver Cromwell that was at that church age?
Oh, I can't remember.
No. Here we go. Pretty useless with our history facts, but there you go. Something like that, wasn't it?
They hang or shoot soldiers or something.
Yeah, something like that. That's quite an old bridge, but it's fallen, isn't it? So we can't walk along this bit of the river, so we're going to have to find a side road to go along. So yeah, gosh. It's not something you'd notice if you were driving over it. What a shame. I wonder how long it's been like that. No. We're just leaving Burford now. A lot of this is going to be road walking. But it's good to get this section done, and then the rest of it's going to be hopefully over fields and stuff. And another walk. Ooh, the old brewery. Oh, I thought there was a brewery here. Did you see that? The old brewery. Yeah, there. You've been rolling in the water, have you? In the mud? Yeah. Bye then. Bye. It's a big horse, isn't he? He's got a little head, but he's got a big body.
Something wrong with that. but
Yeah. So this used to be an old paper mill, apparently. I think it's been split into several different cottages now, but lovely old buildings. Oh, it might have been originally several cottages. That's lovely, isn't it?
yeah.
It's an old paper mill. I guess there would have been some sort of water wheel to run it. Just walking down this little side road. Very pretty. Oh, look at that house. It's quirky. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Wouldn't you put your bins at the back?
These roses are flowering late.
Yeah, they do though, don't they, sometimes, roses? Wow, that's very pretty down here. Off the road for a little way. Now, why am I wearing my shoes when I've got walking boots? I'll tell you why. Because as I was putting on my boots, oh, I got caught. As I put on my boots, the shoelace broke. So that's why I'm wearing my shoes, but they're waterproof, so I would have rather worn my boots, but need to order some new shoelaces now, boot laces. It's in that kind of situation where I don't want to take a lace out of another boot and then just not replace it, you know, so I had an alternative, so wearing my shoes, walking shoes. So this is Little Barrington, and we're walking on the road again. Heading now towards Windrush, so not too far away. And we've parked the car at Windrush. And Windrush is a little village on the river Windrush, so I kind of guess it's got its name from the river. And the river Windrush gets its name from the wind in the rushes, so that's where that comes from. There's a little pub there on the side of the river, but we're going to head on because it's only half a mile. And it looked busy. Look at those leaves though. Beautiful. raining a little bit, but you know, 10 minutes we'll be back at the car, so that's okay. Just coming to the end of the walk today. Last bit's across the field. Oh yeah, so we're looking over Great Barrington estate, which is like an stately home, and we're heading now to Windrush, so just over this field, and yeah, back to the church where we parked the car. It's mostly been walking on the roads today, but we need some fresh air, so you know, it's not a bad little walk really from Burford, and lots of beautiful villages with these lovely Cotswold stones. You can see a church in the distance there. Yeah. So I'm going to start from here next time. I don't know when that'll be because I've got a busy couple of weeks coming up. So try and find the source of the River Windrush. Not a bad walk, was it?
Alright, lots of road.
Yeah. It does look like it's going to rain in a bit though, so I'm glad it wasn't a really long walk. It's about 5 miles, so it's not difficult.
Have you checked them up?
Yeah, will do. I think we just go up here and then turn left. So here we are at Windrush, beautiful little village, and it's raining, but that was a nice walk actually, nothing too challenging, only 5 miles, and one step closer to the source of the River Windrush, and there's the church there. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy my little challenges for myself. The Windrush is a pretty small river actually in the grand scheme of things, but it does feed into the River Thames, which is why I'm following it to the source, because I've run out of Thames path to walk. So yeah, yeah, see you next time. Bye.